Hello, little friends who love toys. Today, we're going to explore a very exciting and colorful toy, a mini convenience store set. With this toy, you'll get to play the role of a store owner, selling all kinds of delicious and familiar items like hamburgers, sodas, noodles, and even bubble tea. First, let's take a look. Right at the front, there's an adorable cash register with a bear figure as the cashier. Isn't it cute? This cash register has colorful buttons that let you experience the fun of running a store. These buttons even make sounds, just like a real register, adding more excitement to your playtime. Next, on the left side, we have a display area for food. Here, you can see trays holding hamburgers, fries, and soda, all designed to look just like real food. How fun is it to arrange and showcase these items just like in a real store? Below that, there's a small drawer where you can store other tools or even use it as an extra storage space. This toy not only encourages creativity as you arrange and organize the food, but also helps develop communication skills as you role play as a store clerk serving customers. On the right side, you'll find a special spot for trays with drinks and noodles. And of course, we have bubble teacups, a favorite drink for many of you. With such a variety of items, you can create your own stories and adventures as a little shop owner, serving delicious food and drinks to your friends or family. Playing with this set, you'll learn many fun skills, from arranging and organizing items to communicating with customers. Using the cash register and food trays helps develop fine motor skills and coordination. It's also a great way to practice teamwork and sharing when playing with friends. Now, let's start our selling adventure. I'll show you how to use each part of this toy and arrange the food to look appealing and ready for customers. Get ready to be the cutest little store owner as we dive into this fun and creative playtime.
点的是汉堡包，稍等片刻。您点的汉堡包好了。汉堡包10块。欢迎您来到库尼便利店。需要点餐吗？您点的是蔬菜沙拉，稍等片刻。您点的蔬菜沙拉好啦。您点的是果汁，稍等片刻。您点的果汁好啦。欢迎您来到库尼便利店，您需要点餐吗？您点的是绿茶，稍等片刻。您点的绿茶